Hey y'all, Jimmy D hiking here. Just wanted to show you guys this shelter. This one is the Chestnut Knob shelter at 4,409 feet. And it's amazing. You got rack space there, bunk and other rack space. Got two more bunks there. But yeah, this is the best shelter I've seen so far. You know, because you got four walls, door, so you're really protected from the weather. Then you can see on the outside, Chestnut Knob shelter. And then the privy is right back there, or if I call it the outhouse. And I reshot this video because I wanted you to see the view. If you're staying here at night, get your campfire going, you eat your dinner right over here, and you have just got an amazing, gorgeous view. Look at that. Amazing. It's all for free. Stay here for free. You get these views for free. It's just amazing. Brought to you all by Jimmy D Hiking, or as they know me on trail as Shamrock. Love you all.